1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Naam, akimaliza kukagua waridi la heshima, gavana anayeondoka His Excellency Governor James Ongwae. Tupige makofi anapoingia uchukwani. Tupigie gavana wetu Governor James Elvis Omariba Ongwae, the outgoing governor Kisii County. Tumpigie makofi. Asante sana gavana, karibu sana. Thank you, asante. Haya, wananchi watukufu wa Kisii County, tumkaribishe gavana wetu Simba Arati DJ.
Umuranare sobe karibo baziye tariyo kurukuzimba. Umuranare sobe karibo baziye tariyo kurukuzimba. Ahe Simba nega zire kyoge kona chama uganya soke meseto. Ahe Simba nega zire kyoge kona chama uganya soke meseto. Umugano simboro mutambe ni ntema kuyo kwano taere. Umugano simboro mutambe ni ntema kuyo kwano taere. Aye. Onde dato Mong'ina sokire bosongo Kisii County Oriye karo kyo gavana Mong'ina mole mutata Sajo utari koriera njoke morero Nanda nigaro muoge munomo yobirende Ye Ona wando wa mindungo la batore Oyonsi mara kyo mondo brabanto Mong'ina beri sosokire Oyonsi mara kyo mondo brabanto Mong'ina beri sosokire Aye Simba no more mwaka buriye Kerogo naro bimichini agajorwa Aye Simba no more mwaka buriye
Tusichoke kukukaribisha gavana wetu. Warembo na Simba mmechoka. Wapigie gavana. Asante sana, asante sana. Tutulie sasa. Tutulie tunapowapisha kikosi chetu cha Kisii County. Wamkaribishe gavana anayeingia, gavana wetu Paul Simba Arati. Maridadi. Ni heshima yao wanatoa ya mwisho ya kumheshimu gavana anayeondoka, His Excellency Honorable James Elvis Omariba Ongwae. Maridadi.
Wimbo ya wane Salvation ya Army Band.
Asante. Maridadi. Maridadi. Asante sana, tumkaribishe gavana wetu. DJ, tukaribishe gavana wetu anapoingia kwa utaratibu. Hapo. Tusimame wote ambao tuko jukwani. Asante. Maridadi. Yes. Tumukaribishe gavana wetu kwa shangwe na vigelegele. Wapinduru ya gavana wetu. Maridadi. Asante sana. Hapo. Asante sana, asante sana. Asante sana. Asante. Naomba sasa wale ambao mko pale, tafadhali kama una kazi yako ya kufanya, usonge nyuma kidogo, tumpishe gavana wetu anapoingia. Naomba tutafadhali wengine wote wale ambao tuko pale turudi nyuma kwa utaratibu. Asante sana. Asante sana. Asante sana. Thank you. Asante. Wengine tusingie tafadhali, turudi nyuma. Thank you so much. Asante sana. Wengine turudi nyuma tafadhali. Gavana peke yake aingie. Thank you. Asante sana. The security team, the governor is safe. Usher in the first lady, Miss Simba Arati. Wapi makofi ya kuamboka? We, maridadi. Asante sana. Thank you. The security team, asante sana. Thank you. As we usher in the governor-elect, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, the first lady, Miss Simba Arati, karibu sana. Thank you so much. Asante. Asante. Abantu baito ba Kisii na maboko. Wapi nduru ya gavana wetu mpya? Asante sana. Ningependa kwa mara nyingine tena sisi wote tusimame kwa wimbo wa taifa. Tusimame sisi wote kwa wimbo wa taifa, na kisha baadaye wimbo wa Afrika Mashariki. Tusimame sisi wote tutulie kwa wimbo wa taifa na wimbo wa Afrika Mashariki. Asante sana. Wapi makofi vigelegele ya viongozi wetu ambao wamefika? Makofi. Asante sana. Asante. Tutulie, tukae tafadhali. Thank you so much. Tukae. Asante sana. Tukae tafadhali. Tukae. Thank you. Asante sana. Asante sana. Tukae kabisa, tutulie. Wale ambao umesimama naomba tukae tafadhali. the governor-elect, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati, the
It is the world's most dominant economic power with an iconic concept that has made it the #1 destination for most immigrants, the American dream. Douglas Eze is one of the 2 million Africans who decided to make it their new country and who was able to transform his life. Beyond the restless accumulation of material goods, the self-described wealth strategist and award-winning insurance agent is now climbing into the wealthiest 1% club of society.
I wanted to learn more about wealthy families. How do they keep wealth in the family from one generation to the next? So I actually wrote a book called Creating Generational Wealth.
An immigrant from Nigeria, he is now a top-of-the-table member of the $1 Million Roundtable, an exclusive club for the top insurance people in the world.
Well, wealth is basically, that money that you're gonna leave for your children's children. Because there's one thing, getting rich is one thing, and being wealthy is making sure that your family, your generations, your name stays in the family legacy forever.
At conferences like this one, Douglas often shares his personal story of making it in America.
Been in the financial service industry for over 20 years, an entrepreneur on a technology company and also real estate.
The next award goes to Douglas Eve.
Well, thank you so much, everyone.
When he is not invited to talk or receive an award, he uses the opportunity to expand his network, a word that he has quickly come to associate with his net worth.
The first time I made $1 million, I felt good. But then I realized, where's the money? It was all in stuff. And then I had to say to myself, man, if you keep spending the money, you're not going to have the money. And Warren Buffett, he has 2 favorite quotes. The first one is, never lose your money. His second quote is, don't forget rule number 1, never lose your money. So I had to change my mindset and start teaching myself how to make sure that I keep every dollar that I spend, I pay back with simple interest and compounding interest. A lot of people miss that part. It's called self-financing. So one thing we try to teach is show people, even if you make $50,000 a year, $30,000 a year, I show them how much that money is valued 20, 30 years from today with the increase. And I say, you know what? Guess who else knows the value of your money? The federal government, the banks, the media.
With 8 businesses under his belt, Douglas's philosophy is simple. Hard work pays off. And when it comes to it, the cash value king, as he calls himself, uses his money to enjoy life and discover new hobbies.
Okay. Yeah. Beautiful. So, don't mess with me, man.
According to a 2019 study by the Pew Research Center, 1 in 10 black people living in the US are immigrants. 40% of all African immigrants aged 25 and older have at least a bachelor's degree or higher.
Hi, this is Dr. Kolade. How are you doing?
Dr. Akindele Kolade is a certified psychiatrist, principal investigator at the Kolade Research Institute, and president and CEO of Cal Psychiatrist Services. He is also a successful serial entrepreneur and philanthropist.
I'm originally from Nigeria, but now I'm practicing in the United States. A psychiatrist, first and foremost, and then subspecialized in child psychiatry and adolescent psychiatry, and also in addiction medicine. So I'm triple boarded. And I also do research, clinical research for upcoming medications to treat mental health. So I have a team here that works for me. We have mid-levels, we have social workers, so we have nurses, and we have the front desk staff. In today's world and my office, we're doing mostly virtual practice. I'm consulting for 5 hospitals across America in different states. So we virtually see these patients in different locations and environments, be it in the hospitals or in the clinics or sometimes in their homes. And virtually, because in psychiatry you don't have to touch a patient, but with today's technology you could basically see everything and know everything just looking at the computers and prescribe medication or do counseling or do therapy, whatever you need to do to make them move forward.
That the medication is not working.
Does she use melatonin also? In my practice, I've witnessed an increase and an uptick in people looking for mental health compared to before the pandemic. We've seen an increase of over 30% above what used to be in terms of people looking for help. Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Good. So what are we doing today? Whatever it takes to move them forward from this condition to this condition in a good way. Okay, so that's how we go. That's how we roll.
9 p.m. We meet Dr. Akin in a completely different setting. Tonight, he invites us to his brand new luxury lounge in Las Vegas.
Hey, hi. How you doing?
Welcome, sir.
Everything good tonight?
Everything's wonderful, sir.
Okay, let's go party. Somebody asked me this. How come a doctor is opening a restaurant? It's service for the people in many varieties, be it in medicine, be it in the clinic, or be in the restaurants where you eat good food, or where you dance, or where you sing, or where you enjoy comedy. All that brings about wellness and health in all of us.
I own my own pharmacies since 2009. We work hard every day. We wake up in the morning, 6 a.m., and we go to work. But we also play hard. And that's the reason why we have Splash for people who work hard and at the same time party.
According to a 2021 article published in Kiplinger.com, the state of Maryland had the second highest number of millionaires in the United States of America in 2020. This is where we meet Adisa Bwari, a decorated minority and woman business owner who came to America more than 30 years ago from Burkina Faso. Today, this self-made millionaire leads a successful electrical construction company with an annual revenue averaging $25 million.
When I came to this country, my major was accounting. I got my bachelor in accounting, and then I had a part-time job with a construction company. And I worked for the construction company as a controller of the company for about 12 years. Noticed that many CPAs are not familiar with construction accounting. And it's something that I had already understood very well in school, and I mastered it very well. So when we used to have CPA come in, I had to explain them about the construction accounting. And then I opened my own business, and I was doing construction accounting. Then when my business partner joined the business, he said, Adisa, I know you want to do construction management, but my background is electrical. If you want, we can take that route of the electrical. I said,